A resistor is a passive electronic component that limits or regulates the flow of electrical current in a circuit. Its primary function is to resist the flow of current, which results in a reduction of the current and sometimes a drop in voltage across the resistor, based on Ohm's law. Key functions of a resistor. Current limiting. Resistors control the amount of current that can flow through a circuit, preventing components from receiving too much current and potentially getting damaged. Voltage division. In combination with other resistors, resistors can create voltage dividers, which divide the input voltage into smaller, usable voltages. Heat generation. As resistors limit the current, they convert electrical energy into heat. This is important in some applications, such as in heating elements, but it can also be a consideration in designing circuits to avoid overheating. Biasing. In certain circuits, resistors are used to set the operating point of active devices like transistors or integrated circuits. Ohm's law. The relationship between the voltage, V, current, I, and resistance, R, is given by equals times V equals I times R, where V is the voltage across the resistor, in volts. I is the current through the resistor, in amperes. R is the resistance, in ohms, omega. In summary, resistors are crucial components in almost all electronic circuits, controlling current flow, voltage levels, and ensuring the proper functioning of various devices.